Hello everyone and welcome to Way2Ask. In this session, I'll walk you through the sessions section. This is where all your previously attended sessions are stored, so you can easily access and review them whenever you need. You can sort your sessions in a few ways. Newest first, oldest first, longest duration or shortest duration. You can also filter them by a date range or by a specific template. To explore any session in detail, just click View Details. Inside the Session Details page, you'll find your AI summary, key points, decisions, action items, follow-ups, and a full meeting overview. You can also view the complete transcript of the session. Have a question about the meeting? Simply ask the AI, and it will answer based on that session's content. The Overview section also shows your overall session usage and analytics. Need to save your data? You can export any session as a text file or as a JSON file. And if there are sessions you no longer need, you can delete them from the Sessions section anytime. That's everything for the Sessions section. Thanks for watching.